trying to rain on me, guys. I don't think I'm live right now. Oh, maybe I am. Okay. No, I'm still away from home, but it's just drizzling periodically. We should be okay. Well, I just got an alert that I was dropping frames. Maybe I just had a bad signal for a minute there. So I'm not watching the broadcast, so if it goes offline, I really can't tell. Raining there, probably raining here soon, but hopefully I'll be home before that. I bought a trash bag if necessary for the computers and stuff. So, and we're not that far from home. Particularly going back here because see, there's nothing that gets in the way really back here. No stoplights or anything much. This will be the area that Pantone would like riding. It's very boring, but there's no obstacles and you can go quite fast actually. But it's kind of boring from the perspective of watching, for sure. Like as you can see, I've picked up speed considerably since we've been back here. Although I had to watch it some because coming into an area where cars go in and out. Hello? All right, any of you want to live in a little pink house? There you go. It's not so little, but it's starting to rain here though. These little electric cars or something else. There's one just rode beside me. They make no sound at all. They need to put like clackers in their spokes or something so people can hear them coming. It's actually easier to cross here than at the lights because you don't have cars trying to come from 4 different directions at one time. I'm gonna go back and show you all this. This is an awesome looking bed, at least I think it is. What do y'all think? Is that kind of cool looking? Yeah, I think it's a cool looking bed. Oh, this place is out of my range. Well, my bed's about that big almost. It's just, it ain't colored like that. And my bedroom's as big as my living room, actually slightly bigger. My bedroom's basically a big empty room with my bed in it. We're getting close to home, guys. Huh, a dual person bike. Kind of cool, but knowing my luck, if I had somebody else to ride with me like that, they'd sit behind me, laugh, and not pedal while I pulled us both along. That's why I don't get roommates anymore. Every time I've had one, they ended up never helping me actually pay the bills, and basically took a free ride. Some of them were enjoyable to have around, but still. And they counted on the fact, and they were correct, that I was too soft-hearted to throw them out. So